Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are majestic. Today we will learn about daily routine sentences. This video is very helpful to you. Wake up. I wake up at 7 a.m. Turn off. I turn off my alarm. Go. I go to the bathroom. Brush. I brush my teeth. Wash. I wash my hand and face. Dressed. I get dressed for the day. Prepare. I prepare breakfast. Make. I make a cup of tea. Pack. I pack my bag for the day. Put on. I put on my shoes. Walk. I walk to school. Greet. I greet my classmates. Work. I work on my first task. Take. I take a short coffee break. Continue. I continue working until lunchtime. Eat. I eat lunch with friends, or sometime alone. Head. I head home. Relax. I relax for a while. Do. I do some home chore. Meditation. I do some meditation. Sleep. I go to sleep around 10 p.m.